Hi guys, this is Josie with the Exploreum Science Center. Today I have a fun recipe for you guys called peach donuts. This is a pretty healthy recipe with healthy ingredients. We have our peach. Peaches are full of vitamin A, which is good for immunity and for your eye health. They're also really full of potassium, which is good for your kidneys. We also have some Greek yogurt we're going to be using. This is full of really great probiotics to help with digestion. And it's also a really good source of calcium. The last ingredient is used sparingly, so I think it's okay, but just sprinkles to add a little color to the recipe and just to make it a little bit more fun. So what you're going to want to do is take your peach and divide it into a top half and a bottom half. So I'm going to do that pretty quickly. Alright, we're going to twist it into two parts. So we want to make our ring. So we have our hole in the middle. We're just going to cut a thin slice along it. And if you mess up like me, that's totally fine, because you've got a couple of options. There we go. All right, so you're gonna wanna make a ring like this. If you have the browning in the middle, you can use a small cookie cutter to kind of cut your ring out a little bit more, just to get that brown out of the way. But you don't have to. So you have something like this. And don't worry if it breaks a little like mine did. You're gonna top it with your yogurt and your sprinkles, and that's gonna hold it together a little bit later. But you're gonna cut all of these out, put them on your freezer safe plate, and pop them in the freezer for a little bit. Then you'll end up with something like this, cute little peach donuts. And these have been in the freezer for a minute, so they are pretty solid now. So, cute little sweet treat for you guys to make at home. So, and you don't have to use peaches, you could use another fruit. Let me know in the comments if you do use another fruit, because I'd love to have different ideas. And also, while you're making this or while you're in the comment, check out our website. We do have our summer camp registration open now. You can go online and register, and make sure you look out for our FAQ video that I'm going to be making to talk about frequently asked questions regarding our summer camps right now. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.